Had we ever wondered if artificial intelligence will eventually make humans obsolete? Today, we're diving deep into the reality of AI's capabilities and limitations to understand why this fear might be misplaced. To start, let's look at what an AI takeover actually means. It's a hypothetical scenario where autonomous systems can override human decisions and control major aspects of society. Developers are indeed making significant advancements, aiming to create AI that could potentially replace humans in many roles. However, AI still faces fundamental limitations. One major issue is self-correction and learning in an abstract manner. While AI excels at specific tasks, it struggles with the kind of flexible thinking that humans possess. Another point to consider is how society values human capital. As long as there's economic and social value in human work, AI will complement rather than replace us. Instead of taking over jobs, AI is reshaping the workplace by enhancing roles where humans excel, like creativity and decision-making under uncertainty. This changes how we view human value in the workforce. While AI is advancing rapidly, it will likely play a complementary role to humans rather than making us obsolete. The future of human-AI collaboration looks promising and transformative. So there you have it. AI is not taking over the world as we know it, but rather enhancing our capabilities. What do you think about this future where humans and AI work together? Let me know in the comments.